Hi everyone, welcome to Best Synthetics for You. My name's Garrett Lieb. I'm an independent AMSOIL dealer and a retail installer located in Ojai, California. I've been in the lubrication industry for 23 years now. What I'd like to show you on this channel are some product insights, some real world installations, and exactly what demand the best really means. So if you want to come along with me, I'll show you a little bit behind the scenes. Some AMSOIL. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Best Synthetics for You. Today's topic and installation is diesel engine oil. So today we'll work on a 2021 F350 with a 6.7 power stroke. Now I already have the oil drained and filter removed, so show you what we're putting in it today. We go with Diesel Signature Series, the Max Duty Protection. This is AMSOIL's top of the line diesel engine oil, and it delivers 6 times more wear protection. So we do have the oil filter on, and we're getting 3 gallons of 5W40 into the crankcase here. Give us a little bit. There's the first gallon. Okay, let's get the second gallon in. We're into the second gallon. So that'll actually give us 9 quarts, because we put 1 quart in the oil filter already. Spun that on. Made sure that was nice and tight. Don't over tighten it. And we're on gallon number 3 now. Okay, we got 13 quarts in here. Let me take out that. Let's make sure we get the cap on. Hi everyone, welcome back to Best Synthetics for You. We're here in Ojai, California, and it's just about the holiday season coming up, a couple weeks, so happy holidays to y'all. Out on the road today, visiting some AMSOIL accounts and some customers, and wishing them happy holidays, and dropping off some friendly gifts. Sometimes drop them off some samples that I have, or nice calendars for the 2026 season, which they all like, and see if anybody needs to get any orders put in before the end of the year, especially for those retail accounts that have discounts percentage available. Welcome everyone, hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to the channel, Best Synthetics for You. Today we're doing AMSOIL Oil and filter change on a 2019 Ram 2500 pickup with a 6.7 Cummins. And we're going with 10W30 signature diesel. Now, before you drain the oil, best thing on these Cummins diesel trucks is if they're warm or they've just been shut down, you at least want to let them sit for 20 to 30 minutes to let the oil drain down from the top of the motor to the oil pan. So this one came back, it had already been sitting for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes, so didn't have to start it up. Otherwise I would have had to wait a while. Okay, so I have 12 quarts of oil then. We'll get the oil filter on. We have a 72 1500. I'm gonna get AMSOIL change here. Well, thanks for joining us. Hope you like that behind the scenes. If you like this type of content, be sure to follow along. You can also like, subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment box below. For more product information and customer programs, you can find us at www.bestsynthetics.com. Thanks again for joining us. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.